The crypto markets are starting to experience a little bit of a pullback, and people are kind of losing their minds, which is a little bit understandable because we all thought Bitcoin was just going to go straight to what, $1 million right after the election, or maybe even before the election. Come on, guys, get real. You know how we get down on the O Show. We're going to go ahead and kind of break down what's happening, what you should be paying attention to, what I'm doing, and kind of how to navigate this pullback that is a little bit scary for some. I'm WendyO. This is the O Show, everything crypto, every single day. If you want more, make sure to subscribe with all alerts set, like this video, and drop me a comment with your plan for this crypto Bitcoin pullback. And yes, I'm using a selfie stick. I haven't made a video using one before, so this is pretty cool. Anyways, before we talk about altcoins, meta, and what I'm paying attention to, I want to remind you that on October 30th, $870 million of inflows were reported for IBIT, which is BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF. That is almost $1 billion. The demand for Bitcoin is 100% there. It is what it is, especially what we're seeing happen economically. But altcoins are pulling back, and Bitcoin is currently trading at about $70,000 and was not able to break the all-time high of $74,000. And that's okay. We know election season is here. We've looked at the charts. I have showed you guys. And the cool thing about it is we are all predicting a run in the next week, 2 weeks, maybe a month, especially with Bitcoin. We've heard some of the top analysts call for $1 million Bitcoin, $100,000 Bitcoin, etc. So we're all anticipating Bitcoin price to appreciate, which makes sense because Bitcoin is still operating on the 4-year cycle. However, a lot of altcoins are not performing, and we're seeing some pretty gnarly pullbacks. So these are some of the pullbacks we're seeing on the daily and what our week looks like. Solana is pulling back, SUI is pulling back, Ethereum is, Bitcoin is, they're all pulling back. Some more than others. So what I'm doing, I'm actually kind of looking at the charts, and I'm looking at areas that I potentially want to accumulate more of different crypto assets. Because we don't chase green candles, we like to chase red candles, and it simply means buying the dip. For those of you that are not traders and just kind of want to invest, that's okay too. You just want to set your dollar cost average orders and walk away. But I'm kind of paying attention to some of the popular coins that are pulling back, and I'm looking at accumulating more so that I don't miss out. And I'm also paying attention to some of the top meme coins that have also been pulling back and seeing what happens to them when price pulls back and what happens to their communities, because that's a good indicator if price is going to continue to go up in the future. If meme coins are just dumping and going to zero right now, they're not going to sustain. And again, this is why we preach the moon bag strategy is when you do your due diligence, you take disposable income, you toss it into something. When number goes up, you remove initial investment, profit, and enough to pay your taxes. And then whatever you have left over free and clear, that's your moon bag. You kind of look at it like a savings account you can keep pulling out. Not like that. But anyways, don't panic about the markets. We're getting a bit of a pullback. The election is going to be over in like a week. We're going to have a better understanding as to what the regulatory landscape will be in the United States of America. And either way, we're going to have an epic bull run. Be cautious, be safe, do not freak out, and have a good rest of your day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.